How to fix no sound issue in camera video recording on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, tap on your camera and tap on app info. Now as you tap on app info, tap on the app permissions. Make sure that your microphone is enabled, but for now we'll tap on don't allow and then allow only while using the app option again. After this, we're going to go back and then select the option of clear data at the bottom of the screen, then tap on clear cache and then select on OK. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the settings of the device and then we're going to search for system update. So you can go to system apps updater to see any updates available, or you can also go to about phone and then select on checking if there are any updates available. Now this says no updates available at the device, so we're going to go back and go to the Play Store application, and here we're going to search for an third-party app called Sound Meter. So just tap on Sound Meter and download it, and this will help you in checking the decibel and all the problems to resolve. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.